Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. As I stated in the last video, I'll show how you can rename the installed drives in your computer and give them a different drive letter for easier file storage and location. This tutorial will be as if you already have the drive installed, and these steps work with both Windows 10 and Windows 11. To give the drive a different drive letter, first, go down to the taskbar and type in the word format in the search bar. Then click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. In a disk management window, here is where all of the installed drives on your computer are listed. Any of these drives can be renamed and given a unique drive letter. Note, the C drive is the only drive that you cannot change its drive letter. This is a default letter embedded into the operating system and cannot be changed. You can either do the next steps in the top pane or the lower pane. Whichever pane you decide on, make certain you choose the listing with a drive letter and not the areas where there is no drive letter. Doing so may corrupt or damage your system files and could cause Windows to not respond or even start up. Move your mouse to either of the lettered drives and right-click on it. Select Change Drive Letters and Paths. Click on Change. At the Assign the following drive letter area, click on the down arrow next to the letter. Select whichever letter you wish. Note, letters that are already in use are not available. Click OK when done. Restart the computer. Repeat the steps for other drives you have installed on your computer. To rename the drive, go down to the taskbar and click on the File Explorer icon. Click on This PC. Right-click on the drive you wish to rename. Then select Rename. The drive will be highlighted. Type in the desired name and press the Enter key. A permission screen will pop up. Select Continue and the drive will lock in the new name. You may have to restart your computer for the change to take effect. And that's it. If you wish to rename any remaining drives, repeat the steps as necessary. Now you're able to customize your drives so that whenever you save files or documents, they will be easier to locate and retrieve. I hope this helps you all out. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.